Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. As mechanics, we change chains on a regular basis, if not on a daily basis. So it is crucial to have a professional screw type chain tool. This is Unior's professional screw type chain tool. Let's take a look at it. Unior's professional screw type chain tool is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel. It has a chromium oxide surface treatment for further durability. The spindle is heat treated and blackened for years of use. It features a ergonomic, heavy-duty, two-component handle. The pushing pin can be replaced. To do so, start by removing the spindle from the chain holding module. Unscrew the top cap and take out the pushing pin. The spindle should contain a ball bearing. Make sure this ball bearing is inside the spindle before replacing the pushing pin. You can finally screw back the top cap on the spindle and replace the spindle inside the chain holding module. Unior's professional screw-type chain tool is compatible with all sizes of chains, including Campagnolo 11 speeds chains. It holds two chain links and perfectly centers the chain's pin with the tool's pushing pin for ease of extraction. Finally, the spindle has to be rotated counterclockwise to free the chain. All good. Not much more to say about it, but that this is a professional screw type chain tool that has nothing to hide. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.